How to use the step-by-step explanations in Photomath app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Photomath app. After you've installed the app, launch the app on your phone. You don't need to sign up or log into your account. When you launch the app, it will directly open up the camera for you. From here, you can scan the math problem directly. In order to use the step-by-step explanations, first of all, find the problem that you want to solve, and you have to scan that using this app's camera. For example, I have a math problem over here. I'm going to scan it. While scanning the problem, make sure that the problem is within this frame. After that, capture this. And there you go. It will instantly come up with the solutions. If you scroll down, over here you can see the solving steps section. You can see the detailed solutions over here. In order to use the step-by-step explanations, tap on the Show Solving Steps option, and here you will see all the steps of the solution. If you want to further elaborate any step, you can simply tap on that particular step and it will explain you that step. So that's it. That's how you can easily use the step-by-step explanations in Photomath app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.